Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a recent tech acquisition that caught a lot of attention, Salesforce's purchase of SPIFF. Now, for those unfamiliar with SPIFF, they're a company that's all about revolutionizing incentive compensation management, ICM, with their fancy software. Basically, they help businesses design, automate, and manage those all-important commissions that keep sales teams motivated. But here's the real question. How much did Salesforce cough up for this commission magic? We all know Salesforce is a big player, but was SPIFF worth a king's ransom? Buckle up, because we're about to break down the deal and see if the price tag makes sense. Why did Salesforce want SPIFF? Let's rewind a bit. Salesforce is a giant in the world of customer relationship management, CRM. They help businesses track interactions with their customers, manage leads, and basically keep the sales engine humming. But there's a gap in their offerings, commission management. This is where SPIFF comes in. Traditionally, figuring out commissions is a complex mess of spreadsheets and manual calculations. SPIFF throws that mess out the window with their user-friendly software. It lets companies build clear compensation plans, automate payouts, and even give sales reps real-time visibility into their earnings. That transparency and efficiency are music to any salesperson's ears. For Salesforce, acquiring SPIFF means plugging a major hole in their suite of sales tools. Now, they can offer a more complete solution, keeping customers happy and boosting their competitive edge. So, how much did they pay? All right. The moment you've all been waiting for, the price tag. Thankfully, we don't have to stay in suspense. Salesforce eventually revealed the details in a regulatory filing. Here's the juicy info. Salesforce paid a cool $419 million to acquire SPIFF. Now, that's a hefty sum, but let's dissect it a bit further. Breaking down the price tag. Out of that $419 million, a significant chunk, around $374 million, went straight to SPIFF as cash. The rest likely covered things like transaction fees and other associated costs. But was this a good deal for Salesforce? Here's how we can analyze it. SPIFF's growth potential. SPIFF was already a fast-growing company with a loyal customer base. They were seeing impressive year-on-year revenue increases and had a solid reputation in the ICM space. For Salesforce, that translates to future growth and potentially a significant return on their investment. Strategic fit. As we mentioned earlier, SPIFF fills a crucial gap in Salesforce's offerings. This acquisition allows them to offer a more comprehensive sales solution, potentially attracting new customers and keeping existing ones happy. Market trends. The whole incentive compensation management market is hot right now. Businesses are increasingly looking for ways to streamline commission structures and motivate their sales teams. By acquiring SPIFF, Salesforce positions itself as a leader in this growing space. Final verdict, a pricey but strategic move. So, was $419 million an overpay? It's hard to say definitively. On the one hand, it's a significant amount of money. On the other hand, SPIFF offers clear strategic benefits for Salesforce and positions them well in a growing market. Ultimately, only time will tell if this acquisition pays off for Salesforce. But one thing's for sure, it's a bold move that shows their commitment to dominating the sales software landscape. All right, everyone, that's all we have time for today on the Salesforce SPIFF acquisition. The price tag might be high, but the strategic value could be even higher. We'll definitely be keeping an eye on how this deal unfolds and how it impacts the future of sales technology. Call to action. What do you guys think? Did Salesforce overpay for SPIFF? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech news and analysis. Until next time.